Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Introduce us from group 5 who want to present the material that we have made and prepared. Okay, before that, we want to introduce ourselves first. In the next video, okay, to website history. The website was first created by Tim Berners-Lee in the late 1980 and only officially went online in 1991. The original goal of Tim Berners-Lee to create a website was to make it easier for researchers at work to exchange or make changes to information. To the element of website. To the first, domain name. The domain name is what is used to find your website page. Domain name also indicates a country location, for example, .id, .com, and so on. Even in educational institutions, for example, .edu.id, .go.id, and so on. Second, hosting. As a storage area in the form of data, image file, and other that will be displayed on the website. 30. Programming language is the language used to translate every comment on the website when accessed. The more programming language used, the more dynamic and static the website will be. 40. Website design. Determine the quality of the website that will be displayed in order to present multiple websites. 50. Website publication. Publish your website to be known and recognized by many people by creating articles that help you in search engines. 60. Website maintenance. Maintaining a website for business is very important to do website maintenance per year so that the website remains active and necessary. Update your website so that it does not ever boring. Okay, to the next, types of website. Website based on nature. To the first, static website. Website whose content does not change when viewed by visitor, but those of us who created the website can see the update version. To second, dynamic website. Website whose content is upgraded regularly. 30. Interactive website. This website is almost the same as a dynamic website, except that this website is more flexible and allow more effective two-way communication so that information exchange can occur more quickly. Website based on platform. The first, CMS, Content Management System, a system used to create and manage digital content. Second, website builder. This is suitable for those of you who want to create a website in short time and don't have much time to learn. 30. HTML and CSS. This method requires knowledge of coding and programming using HTML and CSS. You can create it in Notepad. Website based on function. The first, blog or personal website. You can write a personal journal or your travel story, and if you want to share that experience, you can publish it via blog. The second, e-commerce or online shop. This is useful for those of you who want to open an online store even though you already have social media. Because the function of this website is that potential consumers who do not understand what is in social media can use the website, and all transactions become easier for potential customers and online stores that can record automatically. 30. Organization or government agency. This is so that the public can easily access the latest information about the organization activities. Okay, to the next, positive impact of using the website. To the first, provide real-time information, providing service, job information, online buying and selling forum, and online learning forum. While negative impact of using the website is user privacy is not granted and the entry of unwanted.
Here is an example of coding to create a website. Okay, we try to run it. Well, this is the result of coding earlier. Okay, let's start over. First of all, we create a new page, then we type HTML and then save it into a computer folder with the file name example.html. In its file name must end with .html to call the querying to the internet. Well, the color will change to something like this. We type HTML and head. Head is used to define headers in the table. Then we type title, Tugas praktek as the title of the website. The next example is to bold the text using the property header 2. To see the result we have, press then right-click to open the browser. The next example is to make the text with color. We type style, then body, then type color. For the color, according to your wishes, here I cast blue. Then the result will be like this. The last example is creating a table with table colors. We type table with the size height 200, width 400, and border 1. Then we type again tr. tr is used to define the creation of rows in the table. Keep typing big color. Choose the color you want. I have used blue and try to use black. Continue to type th used to define headers in the table. Keep typing the row span used to concatenate rows on the table. The result in like this. Then we add cross span to join the column in the table. You can see the result in the video.
Maybe that's the material that we cover about how to make website. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.